Oh. So I look at my hand and then I put it on my shoulder. I look at this hand and I put it on my shoulder. And I do a little of this and a little bit of that and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. What's up, everyone? It's CYBER.COCO and welcome back to my channel. Now today we have an unboxing to do, and not just any type of unboxing, okay? You know me. You know I love me some bling bling. So today we'll be unboxing some glorious, beautiful, shiny jewelry. So the jewelry company called Read Your Heart reached out to me and wanted to send me a few little things to try. And I was like, yes, okay, I'm a sucker for jewelry. Let's do this. Read Your Heart was kind enough to let me pick out the pieces that I wanted to try, and they have arrived to me safely. So I am so excited to open this up, try them on, and show you what I picked out. So if you're interested to see what jewelry pieces I picked out, then keep on watching. Okay, so in here we have the jewelry pieces that I picked out. I am so excited to get into this. But just before we open it up, I just want to quickly mention a few things about Read Your Heart. So Read Your Heart specializes in moissanite. And for those that don't know about moissanite, it's pretty much like the next best thing to a diamond. Now, this is the reason why I love the idea of moissanite, because if you want to get all dressed up right, you have somewhere nice to go, or you're traveling, you're on holiday, you're going to a concert or a party or something, you still want to get all dressed up, blinged up, looking good. But if you're scared of losing your precious jewelry or it getting damaged, I think moissanite is the perfect alternative, and it still looks fabulous. I mean, could you imagine if you're out on holiday somewhere and like you lose your diamonds? I mean, oh my god, I'm just picturing Kim in the water.
My earring's gone! I'm gonna cry, my diamond earring!
My point is, if something was to happen, like if you were to lose your jewelry or it got damaged or something got misplaced, if it was your genuine diamonds, your real diamonds, it would be quite sad and tragic. I love how I'm talking like I have real diamonds, like I don't have diamonds. But anyway, let's open this up so I can show you what I picked out. Ooh, we got goodies. Okay. So we have right here this little package. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so we got quite a few things here to look at. So first we have this little jewelry cleaning cloth. I love that they supply these. It really annoys me when I buy jewelry and they don't give me one of these. It's like, just give me one, okay? I want to maintain my jewelry. We have here a little brochure that has some information on it. And there's also this little section here that shows like moissanite versus diamonds. I'll make sure I take a photo of this and put it up so you can see it. But just kind of gives you an idea of the differences between moissanite and diamonds, and it looks pretty good. We also have this little gift bag here that says Read Your Heart and their website, which is readyourheart.com. I'll also have the information linked down below in my description box. What's this? This looks official. Okay, so this is a certificate of authenticity. It just says the GIA moissanite is an original of exceptional quality and craftsmanship, and that they are committed to its everlasting fire and brilliance. This is a card for my warranty and a certificate of authenticity, so I can register my jewelry, which is amazing. Okay, I just have to say, this is really amazing. I'm so excited to have this. I don't know if I can show you the whole thing because it's got my report number on here, but pretty much this is my moissanite report, and it just has all the information about the brilliance, the cuts, the color grade, the weight, pretty much everything I need to know about my moissanite gems. So this is beautiful. Okay, let's get to the part that we've all been waiting for. Let's open these up. Now, I actually picked out two pieces. I picked out a ring set and some earrings, which is why I'm not wearing any earrings today. Oh, so excited. Fancy. Oh, I love the box. Oh, I love the box. I'm such a sucker for packaging. Okay, so this is the box right here. I will get some close-ups of the box and the jewelry as well, so don't worry about that if you can't see anything just yet. I want you all to see it first. So I want it to be like I'm proposing to you. So you're so amazing. Thank you so much for always being here for me, and I would love to spend the rest of my life with you all. Would you do me the honor of being together forever? Is it amazing? Did you say yes, by the way? Did you say yes? Oh. 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 Oh, I'm gonna be so shiny and so beautiful and just so radiant with this jewelry. Honestly, I don't even know what to do because it's just so beautiful. I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. Like, what do I do? What do I do? It is so shiny. I just want to say as well, just the detailing is so stunning. There is so much intricate design on this piece here. I don't know why my eyes are watering. Hello? We okay? Oh, what's happening? This is weird. This is weird. I'm like, it's just so beautiful. Oh my God. Do you want to stop that? Oh, I mean, yeah. God. When I get really, really excited about something, my eyes water, but this is just like, we can obviously wear this paired together. Oh, we're definitely wearing it together. I was gonna say, oh, we can do it like this and we can do it like that. No, I'm wearing it together. That is just so gorgeous. I just want to sit with my legs crossed like this and just like, I mean, really, I have so many things to do and think about and do and think. And if you think that I have time to do that, then you have thoughts wrong because I have things to do. I'm not going to apologize for my messiness right now. Will you fit this finger? Oh, you do. You actually fit this finger better. Okay, so this is what I'm saying, all right? Now that we have the two rings with different hands, I'm thinking like we can do like a leg crossed over this one. So before we had the left leg crossed over, now we have the right leg crossed over. And we can do a little something like this. And we can just be like, yes, no, and yes. So I look at my hand and then I put it on my shoulder. I look at this hand and I put it on my shoulder and I do a little of this and a little bit of that and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You all just get to watch this and then you're done. I still have to deal with me. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, you can click off once this is done and that's fine, but I have to deal with me for the rest of the day. In fact, I have to deal with me for the rest of my life. Oh, you're so pretty. On to the earrings. Are we loving it? Oh, we are loving it. Hello? Oh no, oh no, oh no. They're so beautiful. Oh no, oh no. I don't want to do this to me. It's too much already. I can't do this. I have to talk quiet because you're so beautiful. I don't want to scare you. Okay, let's get back to business because I've been acting a damn fool and it's not my fault though. The jewelry's making me do this. But anyway, so I picked out these beautiful earrings. Yes, they are beautiful. I picked these ones out though because I wanted to wear these in the middle piercing here. I have my ears pierced 3 times and I wanted it to be the center one because usually when I wear the front one, I want it to be a little bit bigger and I wanted this to be like a cute little accent for the second. But for this video, I will wear it in the first. So these earrings are such a gorgeous little hoop and they have a moissanite right in the center. Okay, they're good. I don't even know what they look like in, but I felt something. They've got a nice clasp. Just in case anyone wanted to know, they've got a nice clasp. Okay. I don't know what they look like. I mean, I know what they look like in the box. I don't know what they look like on me. And I'm talking a lot quieter and I'll talk louder now because I was really excited when I saw them and I'm like, they just made me want to talk quiet for some reason. Like, me talking loud was just gonna be too obnoxious for the beauty. Do you know what I'm saying? But because I can't see them, I'm just gonna like get over that. Damn, they're really nice. Oh no. Oh no, my heart. Oh, my heart. Read your heart. What have you done to my heart? Oh, don't worry. I haven't forgot about you, and I haven't forgot about you either. This is a whole thing, and this whole video, I've been acting a damn fool because the jewelry is just making me so excited and happy because it's so pretty. And you know when you're in front of something really pretty and you just don't know what to do? It's very much that. See, now we can do a little like this. Do you know what I mean? So we can show off the earrings and the rings. We can do a little this, a little this, a little this. Do you know, like there's just, we have options now. I mean, I think it's pretty obvious. I really love all these pieces. They're so stunning. They're so beautiful. They have like made my heart flutter. I think they're so gorgeous. I'm very impressed by these pieces. So if you would like to check out Read Your Heart, make sure that you go ahead and do that. See all the different collections that they have. Their jewelry is truly beautiful. A big thank you to Read Your Heart for sending me these pieces. I am going to cherish them. But that is it for today. So I hope you're having a good day, good night, good weekend, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all on my next one. Laters.